Hi, this is Mike Anderson of Collision Advice. The post-repair scan is part of our quality control inspection process. Just as many of you, I'm sure when you inspect a vehicle after you're completed with repairs, you'll go high beam, low beam, left turn signal, right turn signal, honk the horn, roll the windows down, does the paint match? We still need to do all those things. But in today's vehicles, it's very important that as part of the quality control process that we also make sure that we check out all the accident, safety, collision avoidance systems, as well as what we call comfort features. And that is that we need to take and make sure we scan the vehicle after the fact to ensure that all of those things are working properly. Recently, there was a vehicle that was up in Connecticut, and this was a Toyota. And what happened on this Toyota, the shop had the lady bring the car in, and all it got was a bumper cover, a grille, and a grille emblem. That's all it got. The lady picked her car up, she drove it away, and she came back and said that her vehicle seemed to be acting funny, the way that the acceleration, etc. was working. And what happened was the shop said, all we did was put a bumper cover, a grille, and a grille emblem on it. Again, no warning lights on the dash. The shop ended up hooking it up to a Toyota factory scan tool, scanned the vehicle, and found out that the adaptive cruise control had an error or a fault code. And what contributed to that fault code was that vehicle required a clear emblem, and they had put a charcoal gray emblem on it. Now, obviously, if they would have mirror matched that part, they would have caught that. But because of the fact that they did not, what happened was they put the incorrect grille emblem on there, and it caused the adaptive cruise control to get a signal, lose a signal, etc. So therefore, that could have all been avoided, and we could have had a happy customer. And let's just be thankful that nothing happened in regards to a safety-related issue, but we were able to actually solve that. So had we scanned that vehicle, we would have known it was working. Let me give you another example. We recently had a vehicle that was an SUV, and we did a post-repair scan on it. No dash lights on the dash. We scanned the vehicle, and it told us that when it went to do an output test, it could not find a good connection on the Bluetooth or hands-free system for the phone. Well, because the technician knew we replaced the quarter panel on this SUV, they knew there was an area where the hands-free or Bluetooth had a wire that plugged in the headline area. They went back and looked at it, and sure enough, it wasn't plugged in properly. Had we not scanned the vehicle,
In
we
this
would have
new
known that.
e-learning course by AMI, you'll hear from industry experts on why it is critical to scan a vehicle before and after repairs. Find out the differences between OEM and aftermarket scan tools, and discover what the OEMs mandate in regards to scanning. Most importantly, you'll get critical information to make management decisions in regards to scanning, and earn credit hours towards all AMI professional designations. To learn more about this course and management's perspective on future hot topics, sign up at www.amisignup.org and simply search for scanning.